Now, looking at this, I think it would also be good if I included a title on this page and maybe a page number and then also the date, just so people know when this document was created. Let's once again press the escape key to exit this view. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, we have a few other views. Now, most of this time we've been in just the normal view, and that's what we've seen throughout most of this course. But there's another view called Page Layout. Let's click on this to see what we can do there. Here within the Page Layout view, I can preview what the page layout looks like. Here's my first page, and here's my second page down at the bottom. If I click into this header area, I can also type in a header. When I click in this space, you'll notice that there's a new tab up on top called Header and Footer. Let's type in a title for this printout. I'll type in the Kevin Cookie Company Profit 2022 to date. I also want to include the current date. I'll click into this area, and here I can insert the current date. I'll enter that. Now, you notice that there's this syntax that appears. When I click away from the header, it'll fill in the actual date. I also want to include a footer with the page number. Also under header and footer, here I can click on Go to Footer. And right down here, I want to include the page number. I'll click on this button right here to insert the page number. And once again, if I click away, here I see the first page. And if I scroll down, here I see the second page. Let's now preview what this looks like by pressing Control P once again. And look at that. Here we have a nice title up on top. I also have the date, and here's a page number right down below. Now, this is looking pretty good overall.